Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, Honda Shadow Aero. Honda, a stalwart in the motorcycle industry, has unveiled its latest addition to the cruiser segment with the all-new Shadow Aero, set to hit the market in 2025. This announcement signals Honda's commitment to blending classic cruiser aesthetics with modern technology and performance, aiming to appeal to riders seeking a harmonious balance of style, comfort, and reliability. The Honda Shadow Aero 2025 edition maintains its iconic cruiser silhouette while integrating contemporary features and enhancements. Powered by a refined 745 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, the Shadow Aero offers a blend of smooth power delivery and efficiency, ideal for both city cruising and long-distance journeys. Riders can expect a responsive throttle and ample torque for a thrilling riding experience. We are excited to introduce the Honda Shadow Aero, a motorcycle that celebrates Honda's legacy of craftsmanship and innovation, said Takahiro Hachigo, president and CEO of Honda Motor Company, Limited. With its timeless design and modern upgrades, the Shadow Aero embodies Honda's commitment to providing exceptional quality and performance. Visually striking, the Honda Shadow Aero features a classic cruiser profile complemented by chrome accents, a deep dish seat, and retro-inspired styling cues. Comfort has been prioritized with a relaxed riding position, ergonomic handlebars, and a low seat height, ensuring a comfortable experience for riders of all sizes. Safety and convenience are enhanced with advanced features such as ABS braking system as standard, ensuring optimal control in various road conditions. The Shadow Aero also incorporates modern technology with a digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and optional connectivity features, providing riders with seamless integration of their devices. Industry analysts have welcomed the Honda Shadow Aero as a strong contender in the cruiser motorcycle market, noting its blend of reliability, affordability, and timeless design. The Honda Shadow Aero represents a compelling choice for riders looking for a classic cruiser with modern features, commented motorcycle expert Emily Davis. Its combination of Honda's renowned build quality and accessible pricing makes it a standout in its segment. Enthusiasts around the globe eagerly anticipate the arrival of the Honda Shadow Aero in 2025, poised to experience Honda's commitment to delivering exceptional motorcycles that embody both heritage and innovation. With its blend of classic cruiser charm and contemporary upgrades, the Shadow Aero aims to set new standards in the cruiser motorcycle market, appealing to riders seeking a reliable and stylish ride for years to come.